Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Chocolatey on Windows, beginner guide step by step clearly. To download Chocolatey on Windows, start by opening your web browser. Navigate to the official Chocolatey website at chocolatey.org. Once the page loads, look for the Install Chocolatey section. You will see a command line instruction under Install. Now, open the command prompt on your computer. To do this, type CMD in the Windows search bar and select it. Ensure you run command prompt as an administrator. Right-click on the command prompt icon and choose Run as Administrator. In the command prompt window, copy the installation command from the Chocolatey website. Paste it into the command prompt by right-clicking inside the window. Press Enter to execute the command. This will begin the installation process. Follow any prompts that may appear during the installation. You might need to confirm the installation to proceed. Once the installation is complete, you will see a success message. To verify that Chocolatey is installed, type Choco in the command prompt and press Enter. If installed correctly, you will see a list of available Chocolatey commands. Congratulations, you have successfully downloaded and installed Chocolatey on Windows. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.